When it comes to maintaining leather, the terms sealant and conditioner are often tossed around, but they serve very different purposes. If you've ever found yourself standing in front of shelves of leather care products, wondering which one your couch, car seat, or boots really need, you're not alone. In this video, we're diving deep into the comparison between leather sealants and leather conditioners, what they do, when to use them, and how to choose the right one for your needs. Let's clear the confusion once and for all. Purpose and functionality. Let's begin with the basics. Leather conditioners are designed to keep leather soft, supple, and hydrated. Over time, leather naturally loses its oils, especially when exposed to sunlight, heat, or dry air. Conditioners replenish these essential oils, preventing the leather from cracking, drying out, or becoming stiff. Think of it like lotion for your skin. It restores moisture and flexibility, helping the material look and feel healthy. On the other hand, leather sealants act as protective barriers. They're applied after conditioning to shield the surface from water, UV rays, dirt, and stains. Sealants often create a light, invisible film that helps preserve the leather's finish and color. It's more like sunscreen or a raincoat. It doesn't nourish the leather, but protects it from external elements.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pact connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
When to use conditioner versus sealant. Timing is everything in leather care. If your leather is looking dull, dry, or has visible cracking, start with a conditioner. It penetrates the leather's pores and brings back that rich, natural softness. This is especially crucial for older leather items or those that haven't been treated in a while. Once the leather is fully conditioned and feels supple, that's when you apply a sealant, especially if the item will be exposed to harsh environments. For instance, car interiors, motorcycle seats, or leather jackets that face weather extremes benefit greatly from a good sealant. It locks in the moisture from the conditioner and guards against wear and tear. Finish and appearance. Conditioners generally leave behind a soft sheen and a more natural finish. They tend to darken the leather slightly, especially if it's untreated, but this often fades after absorption. Leather looks rejuvenated, with enhanced grain and texture. Sealants, depending on their formulation, may add a glossier finish or keep the appearance matte. The key difference is that sealants coat the surface. So while conditioners nourish from within, sealants protect from the outside. Longevity and maintenance. Conditioners should be applied every few months, depending on usage and exposure. If you live in a dry climate or use the leather item frequently, more regular conditioning may be needed. Sealants, on the other hand, last longer. A good sealant can provide protection for up to 6 months or more. However, keep in mind, without conditioning first, sealants alone won't prevent drying or cracking. Choosing the right product. Choosing between a leather conditioner and sealant really comes down to the leather's current condition and how it's being used. For indoor items like furniture or handbags, conditioning alone might be enough. But for outdoor gear, car interiors, or motorcycle accessories, a combination of conditioner followed by a sealant delivers the best of both worlds: hydration and protection. Always check the product labels and test on a small area first. Some sealants can block the pores of more delicate leather, and not all conditioners are compatible with every leather type. Leather isn't just a material, it's an investment. Whether it's your favorite jacket or your car's sleek interior, keeping it in top shape means understanding what your leather truly needs. Conditioners restore life, sealants protect it. When used together at the right time, they form the perfect duo for long-lasting leather care. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more leather care tips and product guides. Keep your leather looking better, longer.